Big carry, just we said on loose end.
If you want to know what that feels like, and I don't recommend it, find a full skip somewhere in your village and run into it as hard as you can.
Spencer. And then Vunipola head down.
Seymour was on the floor there, and probably after this hit, to be fair, that's why he stayed down. That last passage of play not off that hit, but
when you're picking a line as a winger, I always think, well, who can I run?
It's out. Going to be impossible to stop, isn't it? It was a good attempted tackle, but you can see he was just bounced off. The initial hit from Vunipola, the bounce off, still got him down, but that close to the line, he doesn't have to reach out far.